Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2020 Ford F-350 Lariat. Coming in this nice white color, and this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Tremor off-road package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a rear park sensors, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a nice bed liner as well with a tailgate step. Got these nice fender flares on here as well with a nice Tremor gripped running board. The fender flares on the front. Trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection. Turn light and spotlight indicated. And moving to the front real quick, we got recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, flat fold storage system, carpeted interior, cup holders, heated back seats with rear vents, 12 volt, and USB and USB-C, 110 volt, and you do get some cup holders and arm space right there, and a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, power door mirrors, spotlights, lights, tailgate, pedal adjusters, and parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 182,436 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. We have your volume, playback, play forward mode, mute voice and phone, cruise control, and toggle free screen, which you can go through My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage. You even get storage under here as well. Cup holders, you get 2 more if need be. Wireless charging pad with some outlets. You got wood paneling and it does close. Got that center console here with more storage. Trailer brake, 4-wheel drive, and rear locking diff. We do get heated and cooled front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 110. Storage above and below. Storage right here as well. 6 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please, and a nice powered rear window opener. We also do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking here, we got our climate controls, media controls, engine brake, traction, hazards, trail control, lane centering, and looking here we have navigation, audio, phone, Wi-Fi hotspot. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your climate controls up here as well, or down there, whatever you really prefer. Phone controls, navigation. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Sirius XM's travel link. Settings such as Bluetooth, Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay, mobile apps, Ford Pass, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC91125A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.